Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to use basic VLOOKUP in Excel. So before jumping to the topic, we need to understanding what is the VLOOKUP. V means particular, lookup means the lookup will search for the entire tables and the given condition, whatever you will give that given condition, according to that it will give the output. So these four things you need to understand first. What is the VLOOKUP? The VLOOKUP values, first these are key columns where the key columns must have to the both the tables, then only you can able to get the output. It means I have only one sheet. Now these are one table and this one more table. I need to print mathematics, Taman how much is scored, and Bunny and Kajal. So first you need to understanding these are lookup. You understand what is a table array. Table array in the sense is the overall table, and again index columns. The index columns which you need to provide. The index column start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. So let me use, then you will understand. Now just I'm using lookup. Here it is asking the lookup value. Let me overwrite here only because of it will give the good clarity. See, here it is asking the lookup value. The lookup value is Tamanna. Now I am selecting that and comma. Now it is asking the table range. So the table entire arrays we need to select the top to bottom. Now I am selecting the top to bottom. Either I can select from here also. Doesn't matter. Now let me log the cells. If I am not log the cells, it will give the false result. So better always I should prepare you to give the this one logs. Now here it is asking the column index numbers. As I said you, the column index numbers here it is there on the top. When I am pressing the year 1, it will give to the only the names, and if I give to the 2, it will give to the Telugu how much is scored. And the similar way, now what we want to find, now we want to find only mathematics, right? So mathematics index column is fifth, right? The column index I have given 5, and again here it is asking the approximate value, either exact matching. Always go for the exact matching. Approximate value, it won't give the correct results. Now I'm giving the 0 over here, so that will take to the exact matching. Just I'm hitting enter. Just close the bracket. Just I'm hitting enter. Now we can see how much she is scored, Tamanna. Let me drag down to the till down until Kajal. Now we can see Bunty, how much Bunny is scored 55. Yeah, and as well as Kajal. Now let us see Kajal's also how much she scored. The mathematics is over here, right? Kajal. Let me search. Kajal over here down. She scored 78. So when I'm deleting something, like if the data is not there here, it will show as an N.